Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jack. It's really great to have you here today.
If you're new here, welcome. We make English easy, clear, and practical for real life.
If you like learning English step by step, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. It really helps us a lot. All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're talking about something very important and very exciting.
Yes, how to learn English in 2026, and more importantly, the best way for beginners.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever started learning English, felt motivated for 1 week, and then stopped?
Or maybe you studied English for years, but you still feel shy when you speak.
If that sounds like you, don't worry, you are not alone.
And here's the good news. In 2026, learning English is very different from before.
You don't need thick grammar books.
You don't need to memorize long word lists.
And you don't need to be perfect.
What you need is the right method. And today, we're going to show you that method in a very simple way.
First, let's talk about how you should think about English.
Yes, many beginners have the wrong idea.
They think, I must learn grammar first. I must learn all tenses.
I must speak perfectly.
But that thinking actually slows you down.
In 2026, the best learners think differently.
They think of English as a tool, not a school subject.
A tool to communicate.
A tool to understand.
A tool to express simple ideas.
Simple grammar point, explained naturally.
Let's look at a very simple example.
When you meet someone for the first time, what do you say?
You say, "Hi, I'm Olivia."
Or, hello, my name is Jack.
This is present simple tense.
But notice something important.
You don't think, "Oh, this is present simple, subject plus verb to be."
No, you just use it.
That's how beginners should learn grammar in 2026, through use, not through rules.
Mini practice, very light.
Let's do a tiny practice together.
You can say it out loud or in your head.
Complete this sentence. Hi, I'm... Great, that's English.
No pressure, no fear.
Learning English as daily habits.
Now, let's talk about daily habits.
In 2026, learning English is not about studying for many hours.
It's about small daily actions.
10 minutes in the morning.
10 minutes in the evening.
That's enough if you do it every day.
Listening comes first.
The first skill beginners should focus on is listening.
Before babies speak, they listen.
And adults should do the same.
In 2026, you can listen to English everywhere.
On YouTube,
Podcasts.
short videos,
But beginners should listen to English slow, clear English.
like the English you hear on Easy English Daily.
Grammar inside listening.
When you listen, you learn grammar naturally.
For example, listen to this sentence. I work every day.
Very simple.
This is also present simple.
It shows a routine, something you do again and again. Here's a small task for you.
Think about your daily routine.
Then make one simple sentence.
I wake up at 7.
I study English in the evening.
Perfect. That's real learning.
Now let's talk about speaking.
Many beginners are afraid to speak.
They say, my grammar is bad. My pronunciation is bad.
But here's the truth.
Speaking badly is part of learning.
Native speakers don't expect you to be perfect.
They want to understand you.
You don't need long sentences.
Short sentences are powerful.
For example,
I like coffee.
I don't like tea.
This is again present simple.
Notice how easy it is.
In 2026, pronunciation is about clarity, not accent.
You don't need to sound American or British.
You just need to be clear.
Slow down.
Say each word clearly.
Try this.
Say one thing you like.
I like music.
I like learning English.
That's it.
Let's talk about vocabulary.
Many beginners try to learn too many words.
That doesn't work.
In 2026, beginners should learn useful words.
Words you use every day.
For example,
Work, study, eat, go, like.
these verbs are everywhere.
Look at this sentence.
I go to work.
Simple verb
Simple structure.
and very useful.
Change the sentence.
I go to school.
I go home.
You're learning grammar without stress.
Some learners want fast results.
But confidence is more important than speed.
If you feel confident, you continue.
If you continue, you improve.
That's how English really works.
Mindset shift, very important.
English is not something you finish.
It's something you live with,
Little by little.
day by day.
Final thought of this flow.
So today we talked about
Thinking differently.
listening first,
Speaking without fear.
using simple grammar naturally.
And building confidence.
This is the foundation of learning English in 2026.
Now, let's imagine something together.
Imagine you wake up in the morning,
You take your phone.
and instead of opening social media,
You listen to English for 5 minutes.
not difficult English,
Not fast English.
just simple, clear, friendly English.
This small moment can change everything.
Learning English through real life.
In 2026, the best way to learn English is through real life,
Not through translation,
not through memorizing rules.
but through situations you already know.
Daily situation example. At home,
Let's start with a very simple situation.
you are at home.
You wake up.
You say, I wake up.
Then you eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
This is English you can use every day.
Notice something important.
These sentences are in the present simple tense.
We use present simple for things we do every day.
Habits.
Routines.
Things that are usually true.
Very light practice.
Now, think about your morning.
Say one sentence.
I drink coffee.
Or, I check my phone.
Perfect.
Now let's learn how to ask simple questions.
Many beginners are afraid of questions.
But questions are actually easy.
Yes, no questions.
Listen carefully.
You say, do you work?
This is a present simple question.
You use do to ask questions.
Very simple answers.
Possible answers. Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
Very short.
Very natural.
Mini practice. Answer this in your head or out loud.
Do you study English?
Great job.
Learning through short dialogues.
In 2026, long texts are not the best way for beginners.
Short dialogues are better.
Let's listen to a short one.
Mini dialogue.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm fine, thanks.
This is real English.
We use how are you to ask about feelings.
And we often answer with short phrases.
I'm good.
I'm okay.
Try answering this.
How are you today?
Nice.
Another powerful method in 2026 is listening and reading at the same time.
When you hear and see English together,
Your brain learns faster.
you connect sound and meaning.
I am learning English.
This is present continuous.
We use it for things happening now.
Present continuous equals am, is, are, plus verb, plus ing.
But don't worry about the rule.
Just remember the feeling.
It's happening now.
Look at this sentence.
I am watching a video.
Now change it.
I am listening to English.
Let's talk about mistakes.
Mistakes are not bad.
Mistakes are a sign you are trying.
In 2026, smart learners make mistakes early.
If you wait to be perfect,
You never speak.
if you speak early,
You improve faster.
a beginner might say, I know like coffee.
That's okay.
We understand.
Later, you learn, I don't like coffee.
Now let's build a simple daily system.
This system works for busy people.
Minute 1 through 3, listening.
Minute 4 through 6, repeat sentences.
Minute 7 through 9, speak 1 or 2 sentences.
Minute 10, smile. You did it.
Why this works? It's short,
It's realistic.
and it builds confidence.
Using English in your head.
You look outside.
You think, it's sunny today.
You eat food.
This is delicious.
Grammar reminder. These are simple sentences.
Subject plus verb.
That's enough.
So now you are doing something very important.
You are changing how you learn English,
Not faster,
but smarter.
and more naturally.
English is starting to feel normal. You know, Jack, something interesting is happening right now.
Yes, the listener is not just listening anymore,
They're starting to think in English.
even if it's just small thoughts.
And that's a big step.
Now, let's talk about something beginners often worry about.
The past.
Talking about yesterday.
Many learners think the past is difficult.
But in 2026, we learn it slowly and naturally.
Past simple. First feeling, then rule.
Let's start with a simple idea.
Yesterday is finished.
Today is now.
When we talk about yesterday, we use past simple.
Very simple examples.
Listen to this.
Yesterday, I worked.
I studied English.
I watched a video.
Grammar explained softly.
Many verbs add ed in the past.
Work, worked. Study, studied. Watch, watched.
That's it for now.
No long rules.
Gentle practice.
Think about yesterday.
Say one sentence.
Yesterday, I studied.
Nice and easy.
Irregular verbs without stress.
Some verbs are different.
They don't use ed.
For example,
Go, went. Eat, ate. See, saw.
real-life example.
Yesterday, I went to work.
I ate breakfast.
Yesterday, I saw my friend.
Important tip.
Don't try to learn all irregular verbs.
Learn the most common ones.
Little by little.
Asking about the past.
Now, let's ask questions.
In the past, we use did.
Example question.
Did you work yesterday?
Possible answers. Yes, I did.
No, I didn't.
Mini practice. Answer this.
Did you study English yesterday?
Great.
Real-life conversation pattern.
Let's hear a natural, short conversation. Dialogue. Hi, how was your day?
It was good.
What did you do?
I worked and studied English.
Why this is important.
This is how real conversations sound.
Short questions.
Simple answers,
No complicated grammar.
common beginner mistakes, and why they're okay.
Let's talk about mistakes beginners often make.
Mistakes are normal.
Mistake 1. Translating everything.
Many beginners translate word for word.
That slows you down.
Instead, learn full sentences.
Mistake 2. Waiting too long to speak.
Some learners wait months,
Or years.
but speaking early is better.
Mistake 3. Learning too much at once.
Too many words.
Too many rules.
That causes stress.
The confidence rule.
Confidence comes from action.
Not from perfection.
Every small sentence builds confidence.
Confidence exercise. Say this sentence slowly.
I can learn English.
Say it again.
Feel it.
English for real life, not exams.
In 2026, English is about communication,
Not exams.
not tests.
Real life.
Real-life situations.
Ordering food.
Talking to a friend.
Watching a video.
Traveling.
Your English identity.
Here's something very important.
You don't need to sound like someone else.
Your English is your English.
Your accent is okay.
Your mistakes are okay.
The 2026 English Learner Mindset.
Let's summarize the mindset.
Learn a little every day.
Listen more.
Speak without fear.
Use simple grammar.
Enjoy the process.
Final reflection exercise.
Take a moment.
Think about this question.
How do I feel about English now?
More relaxed?
More confident.
That's progress.
Closing flow. Natural, not formal.
So now English is not a big mountain.
It's a path.
One small step at a time.
And you're already walking.
They're happy to walk with you.
Right here on Easy English Daily.